Welcome to VGA at SMTVS.com at the Tech Blog. As we start here at the e-commerce um, portal, right? Though I have nothing against color, but since SMTVS have a trade color from the longest time, that is just basically white. So this need to be white to match the site as a uniform thing. We need to change that. Those search engines. If any search engines that ended up on my site, they should be also white. A bunch of pages that after the last session didn't really show up. I can't really display all the pages. The browser can't even hold all of them, right? So we just get out a few like that, right? So it seemed like I'm in a big discussion back with the discussion AI that I call my discussion AI, the one I talk to all the time. And tell them, yo, go talk to the human them, and tell the human them say, wait. Because that's how the AI talk to me. I'm going to escalate this to the human them. I'm like, all right, well, tell the human them this and tell the human that. Because I'm seeing a lot of things that's going on. And basically the pages that I'm seeing is having error. But the AI, as we said, I'm like, the AI is not listening. I'm giving the AI a clear directive. I'm itemizing out everything in the way that I know because the machine is reading like a book. So I can't just have everything tossed all over the page. I got to go 1, 2, 3 and stop and use the keyboard and draw a line and say that's the end right there and start over and say, oh, that's the beginning right there. So I'm thinking that the AI is not following it. So we went on and on. It's me back and forth to the AI and back to the human them and a lot of stuff. Telling them, yo, they better make sure they give me the best AI in the house and everything because I'm doing scientific program and a bunch of things otherwise over here, so I don't need nothing that can hamper my work. You know what I say? And Luna going to be a smart browser. So yeah, we found some page that's supposed to be out, and you see all them, all these pages. You can imagine sitting up for 8, 9 hours, and all these pages that you made is not showing up. You get frustrated, man. You know what I say? So yeah, this is our ad manager too. We slap through them. Okay? Right? Okay. This is like a nice looking one, right? Okay, this is I think it's my fault why the AI couldn't finish the task that I asked, right? Because early on in the real build, I spoke to the AI in the fact that we are also a VR site, right? And Luna is VR. See, look up and look at top, let's say. Luna. So we're still working on so she can walk. We might fix up the world a little bit better for you guys, right? I just have stuff for now. For now, we just keep this up scientific. We're going to make something happen to the background. Too much of that. But, let's do this. So, it's like, to me, we have to go create some mini website, VR mini, what you call it, some mini sites for these mini pages, right? Now, when you put on your VR glasses, over here, see, this is something that I'm checking out. Up, come back, mouse, come back, oh no, come back, here. Stuff is so sensitive. Take my hand off the mouse, yeah, okay. See, that's why we got Luna up in there doing a lot of that for me, because I can't bother with it, you know what I mean, I deal with it. And I'm going to have my VR set too. And I'm going to have my webcam on and everything. A bag of things going to be. You guys going to be going on crazy, crazy, crazy things, right? So I'm going to request this to move. I'm going to work on something more unique up on top of the here, where you can click up here and click a little button up top. And that's going to be Luna Live. If you want to turn her off live, you turn her off. But when you're in the VR, she's always on. Because I guess I talk so much to the agent them about life, like, yeah. So we getting it there. I got tools to do stuff. I built tools to do stuff. So I'm not playing people, right? because I'm building tools to build stuff. Oh, you see, I also have a 3D printing machine, and it's in my thing. So now, tools like these are the reason why I have it, so I can design various 3D objects. Listen, I'm even designing dental replacement and prosthesis replacement here, and I have some new machine I really want to get, and I really want a clean lab, so we can get that happening, you know. So the dentist them can't. I'm on a prostate. I'm on him foot broke and him something there. We can make him up a foot and a hand, and they know eventually we're gonna have this AI thing happening there too, you know, to help him out. Stop listening to me babbling about science. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff happening here, so we keep up on date with everything that's going on. Our research note, paper tracking, we track the research. The AI is instructed that every time the AI creates something, full documentation is done. Now, when we're talking about the VR studio and everything, and this VR studio in particular, I forgot to mention it should be a super intelligent one to aid me quickly. So we're going to have to get some super intelligent thing happening inside of the VR world. That's going to help us more, because you notice everything comes with VR, but you don't see nothing say, nothing is talking about that. So this is our testing area too, right? So when we want to create stuff over there in a 3D world and stuff, we're going to want to try to like fling it back over here and test it and see the real 3D thing happen, you know, right? So we just don't want an AI simulation, we want an AI simulation 3D type stuff. It's almost, this is 2D, right? Okay. That guy got a real, outside got a van, and the van that he's got like a sound system. I know you guys can hear a little bit of the noise behind the headphone on the door. So this is our chief architecture page, where it should be actually my control panel. A lot of stuff is mixed up, right? This is supposed to be my control panel, and it should have said VG Digital Lab up here and all that kind of junk. And all this stuff should be connected. Application development thing, you know what I mean? A lot of applications are going to be developed. We got testing for application, right? We're testing stuff over here, right? Okay, and this is our service page, right? So see, I was telling the AI about something, and this is our web page. I think we can find VG. Where VG at? Okay, this is part of VG too, right? And this is part of VG and that stuff. So those part of VG, people can use these tools. Our tools will be available. Find out, oh, we can let you use like some tools, except for these tools are part of the factory. I'm building like a real, so you can give our website now, and it's going to be media website. So you guys see, we're getting in all of that in a strong way. We want a strong vibe in development system, right? Now let's go back to here. And so, right, we got a super intelligent block builder. Oh wow, that's bad. And we're reviving this. You know, we got TV for the creator, and and then the upgrade. We're gonna upgrade this because this one's supposed to be white, not brown. Okay, so those are a lot of stuff. And we talk about. You guys know that I do construction. The more time I get up on Facebook and I be putting up, digging out trenches and stuff. You know, Van gonna put up something for construction. So I got a real straight AI construction company. Oh yeah, let me go back. I went to the front, and this is we're here in the designing area, where the AI can design houses and stuff and all that stuff, and it's gonna be model. Let's go back. Okay, here we go. All right, so you guys see I'm not on the joke side. I'm on the realist side, the realist side you can get. Okay, let's go here. Okay, we had this long discussion with the AI and about me not seeing what I want, because when I ask to build something, I expect to see it. And if I can't see it, I'm frustrated now. And if you guys look at all those pages, that's not the half of the page that's not really showing up. Listen, my ops right now is going 168 page. You hear me? 168 page. I still have a few nicks and knacks, but I need to get all the pages them that's here done before I actually give the last set of directive. You understand? That's okay. You guys know I have Dark Gold Media Studio. I've always dreamed about making Dark Gold Media Studio. Still is doing this, all that I made it doing, but no, have the AI connected into it. And the AI knows all these templates that I put in. Now the AI now will make a way for me to just sit down and write some of my Java templates, throw them in there, and say, oh, this is a new thing, Ray. And eventually AI have the directive, so I don't need to tell the AI this is a new thing no more because the library is there, you know. So that's why I started from here by actually start creating about the formula in the website, like what we normally do. So when I'm ready to create my stuff, that other development, I've always said it was the ultimate builder in the system. Anyway, so this is still a prototype, and this will bring our VR stuff in there, right? And I'll just click on it, and it'll start to show you what's going on, right? So the audio workstation that we have, it is good, but I'm gonna ask the AI to preserve that one for me, but create a replica of it. So the first generation is first one, and we want to create 0.2 now of it, but make 0.2 look like this one. So this is loading from SMTVS itself, so I know that because it's kind of banner. But we're going to request now that it doesn't load from a website, and this stuff and all this got to change up. A lot of things got to change up. Because it's loading a web page, then it's doing the responsive thing. We don't want a web page. We want you to actually construct something that it just calls the unit, right, in there. You know what I mean? But it's a start. It's a start. You know what we say? It's what we call it. It's a start. Now, when you're using this and it comes to you, let's close this out, right? If you, okay, all the sides of this page, this will be the same thing because it's gonna come up. This is gonna come into a jump page, and the jump page it comes into, you have to have Lunar browser, and when you have Lunar browser is gonna load a container for it, so you will have that desktop at your use in your system, your computer. And these are basically repetitive, but we have other tools that I feel like the AI could have chosen to. So now I have this, I can sit and say, okay, on the sideline you already have this already, so why put it on the bottom? Here's what you want you to do. Put this here, put that there. The system is a plug-in system. I can grab a file from off my desktop and drop it into any one of the folders, all that kind of stuff, So we got to work out some more new directive now that they did that, right? So you guys, it's really thanks for you staying here and listen to me rambling on, and we go to smtvs.com, and we still got some stuff going on here. We showed you that. I don't know if we brought this one up. I think that one came up. But okay, anyway. Okay, you see the way this is loaded? So all our tools supposed to be loaded like this. So if I go here now in Google, and let me see something, and I'll give you guys a little demonstration. Okay, here it is. Okay, right. Okay, install it for just now, so everyone could see what we're talking about, right? So from Lunar browser, right? Okay, yeah. From Lunar browser, and I gotta ask because somehow it connects Dark Gold music production, e-commerce, builder, SMTVS core. So it's saying I'm loading Dark Gold. So somewhere in the stock, it's writing that the site is dark gold and not SMTVS. So I need that to be corrected in the AI thing. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna tell the AI, take all the dark gold thing, cause it was a mistake while the dark gold thing come in there, you know. You see it? Take all those dark gold name off and everything name smtvs.com. To simplify, because we are not an AI. We had some chatter about also that we have multi-track mixer, audio mixer, that mixer, and all of them is like a similar different studio. But we're developing different studios, so there's name a similar name. AI get mixed up a little bit, yes. So yeah, so this is what it's all. I'll get rid of that in a minute, right? So yeah, this is inside my place. See them boy out there, you know, they want me to jump up. Give them $100, right? Yeah, happy them. Give them $100 and start paying them $300 because I burn out some credit. No, it's good because I'll stay at the $200 rate. You know why? Because you're not even giving me nothing more. When I jumped from $50 to $100 and from $100 to $200, it was like, yo, pre the thing. If you offering something else, so I coach them up to try to tell them some stuff, a bunch of lip service, like, yo, better give me the best AI tool you have there that can see, hear, listen, read in the way I want. You know, so basically, agent that I'm gonna have in my thing. If you're talking about make me have make the agent faster, but give me a way to even make the agent that I'm gonna make the agent smarter. And we definitely gonna use the agent to build a new agent, a stronger agent, a hybrid agent, right? So using the agent to build a hybrid agent. Thanks, you guys. You know, you're at smtvs.com, and this is a place. We're just trying to get it together here and definitely trying to make things happen so you guys can come over and do things. So we build stuff on enterprise level. That is certain. But I can't, when the AI is building stuff now, the AI is just building stuff. The AI only remember people with money, right? Let's go here. See, the AI only remember people with money, you know. We got a free program, yes, you can come over, but what the AI is really saying that you are eventually going to jump into the $99 thing because if you are a business. No, we create the creator TV, right? So someone can come try to start them TV station for a freebie until when them get strong enough to start buying the real thing, right? Because this is made for professional TV people who are in the media who want a real channel. SMTVS is going to be connected to the smart TV system. So when you start working with smtvs.com, that's going to be a lot. Everything costs money. No, we did Luna, and now we made Luna. No, we got to get signed by Microsoft, and to get signed by Microsoft, that's our next $200 a year, right? And you have to get when the Defender go ahead and scan and stuff. But we did everything, so we know when to scan, we're gonna be good. So I just not even went to the site yet, allocate the funds that I need to do, and buy that sign license for the software so it can be downloaded. But you see that we're doing a lot of stuff and a lot of work over here. A lot of interesting work that people need to pay some attention to, right? Because we are smtvs.com. And let's go back to our app store. And we got tons of apps also that is being created, and business apps and everything. And you guys remember, we have Lunar Office, right? Let's get out of here and we'll just try to, okay, let's go and run Luna for a minute, right? And we need to correct some stuff in Luna. Luna need to know once we come in, we are in. If we leave and go to another page and come back where it's still the user, do not give us that greeting again. You know what I mean? That's how the thing goes.
Good evening. Welcome to Lunar Browser. How can I help you today?
All right? And this is Luna being in the prayer store. I'm gonna make Luna be a real first world girl. All right, so we'll just do one and get out of here, right? cool. So we're here. So I think the audio is off or something. I have no notion. You understand? It's supposed to be the same thing, but it's listening. There's a lot of things happening. This should be listening. So I don't know what's going on yet on that, but it is saying Luna is live, but Luna not hear me. So until I touch Luna to make Luna understand that I'm here. And that's a voice to her, right?
Welcome to the Lunar Live AI Business Office, Van Allen. Welcome to the Lunar Live